Former Chief Minister Manik has voiced strong concerns about the ongoing special intensive revision of voter lists, particularly in Bihar, where he claims that the BJP and Nitish Kumar party are in a precarious position. He alleges that this revision primarily targets Muslim, scheduled caste and economically backward classes of the OBC. According to Manik Sarkar, these communities are already angered by the anti-people policies of the ruling parties. He suggests that the parties understand the potential outcome if these sections are allowed to vote, implying a negative result for them. In response to these concerns, the CPIM has called for a nationwide protest against the special intensive voter list revision on August 8.
It appears there is some contradiction between Tripura Motha and BJP. But Tripura Motha has been organized by BJP, the earlier Chief Minister, now he is MP. Publicly he has demanded, according to his advice, while Tripura Motha present leader was Congress president, he, according to his advice, he left Congress and formed this organization. It is his statement, we are not saying. However, I am not going to detail out other things. But what you have asked, now actually you see the ADC election is offing. After 5 to 6 months, that election has to be undertaken. So now BJP is trying to extend its strength. Tripura Motha is trying to grab all these things so that BJP is forced to depend on them. So in this situation, there is at this moment apparently some contradiction. It is just bargaining. We shall have to wait and see. At this moment, we should not take any final conclusion.
But has Tripura Motha been successful in achieving anything for the people as of now?
Achieving means only one thing, that is corruption. If it is their program, then they have achieved. They have achieved. But people are suffering. People are suffering.
What about the tripartite agreement?
Nothing. You ask them. Why I should explain. One after another demands they have been raising. But one after another they are changing. You ask them. They should explain. They should explain. Why I should explain their demand. This is not my responsibility. Exactly. I have no confidence in all these things. Right from the beginning we have been saying. Right from the beginning. So this is nothing just to mislead the people, particularly the tribal population. You have seen in the last assembly election. It is amply clear. So they will be isolated. They will be isolated. I am definite. This is from our experience, I am saying.
Manik Sarkar's statement highlights a significant political accusation regarding the manipulation of the electoral processes to disenfranchise specific communities driven by a fear of losing power. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.